Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss how to create pie charts in Excel. Pie charts primarily are used where we are trying to demonstrate or when we are trying to visualize how your population or sample is distributed. Like what is the share? Okay, what is the composition? So when you are trying to talk about composition or frequency distribution, okay, remember number one, composition, number two, frequency distribution. In such a case, we try to use the visualization of a pie chart. So here I have a small little data of the market share of four major two-wheeler manufacturers in the country. Fine. In 2019, HMSI, that is Honda Motorcycles and Scooters India Limited, had a share of 39%. Bajaj had a share of 27%. TVS had a share of 16%. Hero had a share of 18%. So, if I want to see the distribution of the two-wheeler market in 2019, I would use a visualization tool of pie charts. Fine. So how do we go ahead? Just simply select your data, then go to the Insert tab. You have your charts area in the ribbon. From here, select this pie kind of an icon. Click on the drop down. You'll find some 2D pies, 3D pies, and donuts. Okay. So I select this 2D pie and your pie chart is ready. A beautiful looking pie chart with proper labeling, that is 2019 market share, and various companies, the manufacturers, that is the blue one, HMSI, the orange one, that is Bajaj, the gray one, that is TVS, and the yellow one is Hero. So this is how you make a pie chart to show the share. Fine. Hope you have found this useful and interesting. Do keep visiting, do like and share, do spread the good word. Thanks for watching.